My goal today is for us to kind of rediscover our hope in the American dream. We can take pride in that. We can be thoughtful and happy and proud to be an American. We can see our country is great. It is great. It is a shining beacon, especially when we focus our goals on loving each other, lifting others up. When we come from that place, when we come back to that place as Americans, then we can be proud of that. So we're going to talk about 9 basic symbols in our civics class. We're going to look at 5 freedoms in our Constitution, and then how our spirituality represents the highest form of freedom as Americans and as citizens of the world. Okay, now we're going to go to the bald eagle. So the bald eagle was chosen as the national bird of the United States by our founding fathers in 1782 instead of the turkey, which had been suggested by Benjamin Franklin. Thanksgiving could have been a lot different for us. It could have been stuffed bald eagle. I don't know. That just sounds really weird. I don't eat meat anyway, so it just all sounds weird. If the turkey had been chosen, yeah, that's kind of strange. The bald eagle, though, of course, isn't bald. It has white feathers on its head. You can see bald eagles here in Tulsa, by the way. When you go down by the Arkansas River, there's a community that nests there along the river. And in Sand Springs, there's an eagle watch, like in the spring. And you can see the eagles coming down and getting fish. They take them back up to their nests in the springtime. Eaglets, eggs are typically laid about February. The Sutton Avian Research Center, I think it's close to Bartlesville, they have an eagle cam. So the eaglets are already up and out, but every year you can watch the eagle cam. It's pretty cool. My favorite bald eagle, though, has a name, and his name is Murphy. And this is Murphy. So Murphy lives in Missouri at a sanctuary. Murphy kept attempting to try to hatch rocks in his enclosure because life and love always finds a way. So Murphy kept sitting on these rocks, and his handlers and the keepers there at the sanctuary would, scare him off the rock, and he'd come back to that rock. He was dedicated to his rock. So last year, the keepers at the sanctuary replaced his rock with a little orphaned eaglet that needed a daddy. Is that not just the most adorable thing? So Murphy took care of his baby. He hatched that from a rock. He took care of that baby until that eaglet was strong enough and could be released into the wild. So now they have this foster dad, Murphy. And of course, his baby, they named him Rocky. Of course.